Orderflow versus ICT,
the ultimate competition.
which one is more profitable?
I'm Kadir and I will be trading with ICT and SMC tools.
And I'm Hamza and I will be trading with Orderflow tools.
And by the end of this video, you will see which one comes out on top.
Alright, so here's the deal. We want to give you guys the results as soon as possible because this debate is hot right now. So instead of waiting for weeks of live trading, we are going to do a rapid fire back test on the last week. That means we are running both strategies side by side in a super condensed trading showdown.
So guys, let's start the week right away here. We are here on Monday, gold futures chart. We have a bullish market and I'm seeing a pullback right here. And you guys probably saw this already. We have a 50% pullback right here. So it's ideal area for me to take buys. We have the previous day's high, the midnight open as well. So let's see what happens. Right here, I have my entry confirmation. So I will go ahead and take this buy. So right here, I'm going to target fixed 1 to 2 risk to reward. My stop loss is going to go below this candle right here. And I will put my TP right here. Let's see how this trade plays out. And just like that, we hit the take profit. So far, good start to the week. First trade, good win. Let's see what Hamza did.
So right here, guys, we are right before the New York session on gold futures chart. What I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to mark out the fixed range volume profile of the current day. So what I'm going to do is just like this, and then I'll have it on extend to the right. So I have the current day's volume profile developing as we move on. Okay, so let's see. This is now the New York session, and I'm going to be waiting for a strong confirmation from the volume pivots. That can be the value area low, the value area high, or the point of control. We are in a consolidation right now on the higher time frame. We are in a bullish trend on gold, so I will most likely look for buys, but let's see what we will get. So now this is the entry confirmation that I'm looking out for. So that's where I'm gonna go long right here, and I will put my stop loss below this candle, and I will aim for a fixed 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. So we are in this trade now, so let's see how this is gonna play out. Okay, we come back to break even and all the way pushing up again after retesting the point of control in the value area high. Beautiful reaction right there, and there you go. Perfect trade to start off the week. Perfect scenario. So let's see what the rest of the week brings us.
So here's the kicker. To keep things totally fair and square, we're setting strict, crystal clear rules for each strategy. That means no personal discretion, no gut feelings. Just the pure strategy rules on how we enter, manage the trade, and take profit.
So right here, Wednesday, guys, we have a really nice sweep of the New York AM low. Also, the previous day's low got swept as well. It's a bit risky, but we are in the FEG. So if I get my confirmation, this is a valid trade here. So right here, I had my entry confirmation, guys. I will take a long here and put my stop loss below this candle and target a fixed 1 to 2 risk reward. Let's see how this trade plays out. Wow. Just like that, smash the take profit. Wednesday, another win in the books. Let's see what Hamza did.
So guys, we are again on gold. The New York session is about to start. So what I'm gonna do is right away, I'm gonna draw out the volume profile of the current day. So right here, 6 p.m. EST. Gonna drag this all the way here. So perfect. As you can see, we are in a range right now. We already had a reaction from the value area low, and right here I have my entry confirmation now closing above the point of control. So that's a perfect entry confirmation for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a long right here and target a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. So let's see, I'm in this trade now with 5 minis. Okay, that was really close to the stop loss, but we bounced back up. Now we are finally breaking out of the value area. That's the distribution we want to see. Perfect scenario. Another take profit hit. I mean, I'm doing very well. I don't know how Kadir is doing, but let's see how the week is gonna end.
So last day of the week, guys. On Fridays, you want to be a little bit cautious. You don't want to give your profits back to the market. And today is NFP, so I will wait out NFP and will only take trades after NFP. So right here, NFP came out. We had a huge move to the upside, took out liquidity here, reacted from from the FEG as well, from the midnight open as well, but still there is no trade for me just yet. So right here, guys, we have a serious range here with New York Stock Exchange open as well. What I want to see is a retest to the fair value gap here and to retest the daily open as well. So still we didn't get the retest just yet. So right here, guys, I have my retest. We tapped the daily open, we tapped the FEG, so I will gladly go ahead and take a long position right here. And again, I will go for a fixed risk reward of 1 to 2. Put my stop loss below the candle and my take profit right here, and let's see what happens. Wow, just like that, hit the take profit last trade of the week, also a winner right here. And now let's compare the results with Hamza and see who actually won the competition, ICT and SMC or Orderflow.
So 1 week of backtesting is over. We showed you guys some snippets from the Orderflow and the ICT side. Now we're gonna compare both of them and see which strategy came out on top. So guys, here are the backtesting results, and as you can see, they are both the same. Why? Because we have used the same entry confirmation and the same risk to reward as well. So both strategies had a 1 to 2 risk to reward, and with both of them having a 100% win rate this week, well, both of them have the same results.
So here's the big takeaway. You've seen how Orderflow and ICT SMC each bring something powerful to the table. But guess what? You don't have to pick a side. Our manipulation model brings the best of both worlds together. We have implemented what works from both concepts to our manipulation model. So it's not important which strategy is more profitable. What's more important is what you can execute on.
That's exactly what we did. We have simplified everything down to a 3-step process. We don't take trades solely based on market structure breaks, CISD, FEGs, or big trades and volume profile. We just use similar levels for entries. But what differs is how we take the trades with the manipulation candle. That's the reason for our high win rate. And if you want to dive deep, watch this video.